In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email list kit.com. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting subscribers is permanent and can impact your automations, analytics, and future campaigns. If you're even slightly unsure, consider exporting your list first so you have a backup you can reference later. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Kit dashboard at appkit.com dashboard. Sign in if prompted, and make sure you're in the correct brand or workspace so you don't remove subscribers from the wrong account. On the dashboard, look for the navigation area and click Grow. This is where Kit keeps your audience tools, including the pages and actions related to building, organizing, and managing your subscribers. Next, click Subscribers to open your full list. You'll see a table of contacts, and if you've applied any filters or segments, only those matching results will show here. That matters because the delete action will apply only to the people currently visible or selected. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the exact group you intend to remove. At the top of the subscriber table, click the checkbox to select all. If your list spans multiple pages or if a banner appears offering to select all results across the entire set, use that option so nothing is missed. Double check the count shown so you know exactly how many subscribers are about to be affected. Now open the Bulk Actions menu. This dropdown is designed for batch updates, and one of the choices is Delete. Click Delete. You'll see a confirmation window explaining that this action cannot be undone. Read it carefully. This is also a good time to verify you're not removing people who recently opted in or contacts you might want to keep for compliance or record keeping. To proceed, type "Do it" in all caps exactly as shown. This is Kit's safeguard to prevent accidental removals, so be precise. When you're ready, click Delete Subscribers to finalize. The process may take a moment, especially for larger lists. When it completes, refresh your subscribers page and confirm the count reflects the change. If you intended to remove a segment rather than everyone, verify those filters and results are now accurate. That's the complete process to delete an email list in Kit. If your goal was simply to stop emailing a group without losing their history, consider unsubscribing them instead in the future. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the steps clear and stress-free.